Hi, I'm Mitch Felderhoff, one of the owners of Muenster Milling Company, and I'm eating dog food for 30 days. So why does it look like I just got done crying? Because I'm cooking about 60 beef meatballs, and these things have so much fat in them, the flames just keep coming and the smoke just keeps hitting me in the eyes. This is the meatballs. We're cooking them for Operation Kindness. We're gonna be serving my last meal. I've got some friends coming to join me. It's gonna be a good day. Head there. We'll see you in about, I don't know, an hour.
Well, today he celebrated his final day on the dog food diet by teaming up with Operation Kindness to find some forever homes for some dogs.
We're at Operation Kindness, and we are adopting some dogs today. Did we have a good day, Nikki?
Having a great day, Mitch. Thank you.
Hey, glad to be here. What's your favorite dog food?
Muenster.
Muenster. Eddie, how are we?
We are awesome. It's a beautiful day.
What are we doing today?
We're having Mitch's final day of dog food.
Chad's cooking us up something good. Little dog food, little barbecue sauce.
Whatever you tell me to eat, I'm eating it.
You hear that? Whatever I tell him to eat.
Oh yeah.
Dilly.
Good.
Cheers. These meatballs are actually pretty good.
It's good. It's really good.
You like these? 30 days, we did it.
30 days, we did it.
We did it. We did it.
We did it.
30 days. We did it. We did it.
We did it.
We did it.
30 days, we did it.
We did it. We did it.
30 days, we did it. Thumbs up, baby.